So you may want to go ahead and then export out your accounts and address book so that you can import it into other computer of yours, or you just want to send it to others. In that case, you can simply go around onto the tools menu right here, and then you can see that export is an option. So once you go around onto export, you can see that you have an option to export accounts, messages, address book, and settings to a zip file. So let me just go around and click on export right here, just like this. And then you can see that I got the zip file right here. So I can simply go around onto, let's say, for example, a place where I want to export it, and then click on save right here. And just like that, what happens is that the exporting process actually goes through, as you can see right here, which may take a bit of time depending on the size, and then it completes. Then you can click finish, and this is what you have, as you can see. And now if I were to go to the respective folder, then you will be able to see the particular file. So over here, you can see that I got this Thunderbird profile backup zip right here. So if I were to go ahead and open it, then this is the files that you have right here that you can go ahead and import out in other Thunderbird application as you like. And that is how you can export account and address book details from Thunderbird. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.